Creating a realistic bottle reflection in Photoshop is a great way to make product photos look more professional and visually appealing. This effect is commonly used in advertisements, online stores, and promotional graphics because it gives the impression that the bottle is resting on a glossy surface. To begin, select your bottle layer and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus J. With the duplicated layer selected, press Ctrl plus T to activate Free Transform, then right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Move the flipped image directly below the original bottle, aligning it carefully so it looks like a natural reflection. Next, press Ctrl plus T again, right-click and select Warp. Adjust the warp handles to slightly distort the reflection, following the natural perspective of a reflective surface. Take your time with this step, as a subtle warp makes the reflection appear much more realistic. Once you're satisfied, drag the reflection layer beneath the original bottle layer. To make the reflection look softer, go to Filter-Blur-Gaussian Blur and apply a small amount of blur until the reflection loses some of its sharpness. After that, add a layer mask to the reflection layer. Select the gradient tool, choose the basic gradients, and select the foreground to transparent gradient. Make sure your foreground color is set to black. Then click near the bottom of the reflection and drag upward. This gradually fades the reflection, creating a smooth and natural transition just like a real reflective surface. Next, create a new layer below the bottle and reflection. Select the brush tool, choose a soft round brush, and confirm that your foreground color is still black. Gently paint beneath the bottle to create a soft shadow. Finally, press Ctrl plus T to transform the shadow, reduce its height, and position it directly under the center of the bottle to give it a realistic contact point with the surface. You can lower the shadow layer's opacity if needed for a more natural appearance. That's it! You've successfully created a realistic bottle reflection and shadow effect that adds depth and realism to your product image. Thanks for following this tutorial, and be sure to check out more Photoshop tips and creative editing techniques to continue improving your design skills.